Pit-to-Ship Solutions is a global company with agents located in South Africa, Kenya, Mozambique, the Congo, Chile, Argentina, Peru, Brazil, Mexico, USA, Canada, Turkey, Egypt, Spain, Thailand, China, New Zealand, and our head office is located in Sydney, Australia. With our global network of agents, Pit-to-Ship Solutions can provide a dust-free logistic solution in any country your project is operating in. Our containerised dust-free solution is environmentally friendly and also stops product loss and contamination, as no dust out and no dust in, unlike expensive storage sheds and conveyor belt systems. Storage sheds are expensive, labour-intensive, and provide a double handling of the product that creates more dust and product loss. Conveyor belt systems not only pollute the environment, but also allow product loss that costs both the customer and the environment. Our containerised system alleviates the need for expensive storage sheds and conveyor belt systems and has your product exporting in 6 months instead of the normal 5 years that is needed for sheds and conveyor belts to be constructed. The Pit-to-Ship solution utilises current port infrastructure in either a bulk port or container port. If there is no infrastructure available, the system can be operated using ship's gear. Crane operators can also blend and balance the ship by using containers. The product can also be sampled at the mine site, and different classes can be stored in different container stacks. When the ship is being loaded, the customer can advise the port what containers need to be loaded in what sequence, allowing the product to be blended to whatever grade is required. Be part of the green revolution. Pit-to-Ship Solutions.
At Patrick's, we're always looking for better solutions for our customers. So the Patrick's team at Port Kembla introduced the rotating spreaders. What this technology brings to the customer is the ability to track their cargo right through from the customer's site all the way through to the ship's hold. The rotating spreader operates with the use of conventional ship's cranes and is utilised and controlled by the crane driver using a remote control system, eliminating the need for additional staff. Other advantages that we offer to the customer include the reliability and portability of the operation within the vicinity of the storage yard and the reduced effect of spillages and environmental aspects, including dust emissions.
Previously we did the same task at a different site with conveyor loading. So we had different process altogether. We loaded the hoppers with front end loaders to a conveyor. Here it's a safe process, there's less people on the ground in a line of fire, which is always a good thing. The product comes to us as a sealed unit, and it stays as a sealed unit until it's delivered into the vessel and tipped. Then it's closed up again and returned to the wharf and returned back to the train to head off to the mine. At no stage we have any exposed product, so we're not exposing people to any dust, any emissions, any sort of fugitive problems from there. It's a good message to employees and everyone's taken it on board. There's some new skills to be learned, new operations with the crane controls and that sort of thing that's varied from how they've normally operated. They're fully aware of the interaction management on the berth with traffic flow and working around suspended loads, and they're doing a great job so far. For us, we had to tick some boxes to get this across the berth here. With this copper concentrate being so close to the water, we had to get sign-off from our landlords and from the EPA. They've both come, they've both audited the process and are very happy with it. Because of the reason it's a complete sealed unit, at no stage is there any chance of any product spilling on the wharf. Unless we have a catastrophic breakdown, it's all concealed from the load point at the mine to the tipping point in the vessel. So overall, bringing this new piece of equipment into our business, this rotating spreader has been a great story for our customers, our people and our business.
What's exciting for Patrick is that this technology allows us to offer a broader service in a variety of commodities right across Australia and New Zealand.
Australian best practice being introduced overseas. Environment. No dust emissions when loading the ship. No dust when transporting from the mine site to the port. EPA approved because it is a sealed unit and no product is exposed. Productivity. Faster delivery process as there is no double handling. Conventional systems move the product to expensive storage sheds and unload them, then reload the product onto conveyor belts, a costly and slow process. It's estimated that conveyor belt systems lose 5% of the product into the atmosphere when loading a ship. Less staff are required. Track the cargo from the mine site to the ship's hull. Broader service for different commodities. Operational in 6 months, movable to next mine site when production is finished. 1/3 of the conventional cost. Safety. Automatic lid lifting. No human interaction with the product once the containers are loaded at the mine site. Conventional systems have the product being moved and unloaded several times and open to human error and accidents. Less staff, less chances of staff being injured. Raising our profile in South and Central America through mining companies, environmental organisations or government departments, ports. Do you care for the environment? Then the green bulk handling solution is for you.